What is it like to work at a company that's growing faster than you can imagine? It's the most exciting thing I've ever experienced in my career.
The people who do well at Writer care about the impact that they make on the company and the impact that they make on the people around them. We're constantly making sure that Writer is a better place both to work and for our customers.
I joined Writer because I wanted to be part of one of the fastest growing software companies in the biggest technology shifts that we've seen over the last 20 years.
When we started Writer 4 years ago, it was really obvious that AI was going to get human level at reading and writing. Now it is very clear 4 years later that natural language is the interface to intelligence.
The leadership at Writer is elite. Everything that Wasim and May have told me from the very first day has come into fruition.
When I first met May and Wasim, I knew pretty shortly thereafter that I wanted to be around them. I wanted to learn from them.
I've worked at quite a few startups, and this is by far the most impressive, the most exciting, the most diligent leadership team that I've ever worked with.
They are really setting the bar and setting the pace for how different companies and how the market should really be thinking about generative AI as a whole.
One of the unique things we have today at Writer is that we have this clear vision how we're going to deliver on the enterprise AGI.
We're known for innovation. We're known for generative AI, ROI. We're known for excellence in the enterprise. But I want us to also be known for our people. I want us to be famous for our people.
It's not every day that you work with some of the most talented people in the world, and I can say that every single day.
Connect, challenge, own really encompass the way that we work and operate at Writer.
What's unique about this place is it's like you own the whole thing.
I particularly like challenge because I think it's really important for all levels of the organization to have their voice heard.
Folks that work at Writer are looking to connect. They're looking to build relationships, are committed to giving it their all.
So much of what we do has to start with a basis of trust.
We are team first, so as you're building a function from 0 to 1, everybody has their fingerprints on not only the culture piece, but also the deliverables and the learnings, and we bring that to the table collectively.
This is probably the most cohesive company I've worked for in terms of a common vision, a common goal.
And not just having an impact on Writer and our trajectory as a company, but perhaps more importantly for me, having an impact on some of the leading companies in the world.
Customers that we work with are looking to transform the way that they do work. And part of that has to do with them giving us their most complex use cases.
If you show up and you find interesting problems to solve that are relevant and you solve them, there is no limit.
I think the opportunity in front of us is absolutely huge, and Writer has the opportunity to be the leader in the enterprise generative AI space.
We're building something unique and challenging and require a lot of innovation. We're looking for people who can actually help us build better platform and also come up with a new technology, come up with a new innovation to help us reaching our goals.
We've helped more customers achieve more value, more transformation than any other AI company.
We are completely defining a new category of how work is going to be done. We get to invent the future.
Fasten your seatbelt. You're truly on a rocket ship if you come here to Writer.
So you're going to be tasked to really challenge yourself. Are you the best version of yourself now? Well, you'll be that when you're done here.